What's up? My name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to skip the annoyingly long unskippable intro screen in Outriders. Now I don't actually own the game, I've got the demo installed here, but the method that I'm going to show you for this with proof is exactly the same for the full version of Outriders. So open up your Steam, right-click Outriders, hover over Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. When you get to this window over here, open up the Madness folder, followed by Content, Movies, and then you'll find splashscreens.umovie. All you need to do is simply rename this file to be anything but this. You can of course delete it, but I like to keep files like this, as during updates they may be re-downloaded, or it may be necessary later if we mess something up. Regardless, now that I've changed this file name, all you have to do is fire up the game, and you'll notice that while the game is starting up, you'll simply be dropped onto the main menu instead of having to sit and wait for an annoyingly long intro to pass. There we go, you can see that I've just started up the game, from my Steam and NVIDIA overlays popping up, and of course we're just at this little bit here, right before we hit the main menu. There we go. So much faster and easier than having to watch a whole cutscene about the game's developers, their life stories, etc, etc. Thank you all for watching, my name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!